now ends another video. So by the intro you must have understood that today's video is about how I am making my Sunday a fun day. So I have made a script about this, but the script is totally ruined because of the raining weather outside. I've thought to go on a cycling this morning and start my fun day with the cycling because it's really fun to go out cycling, right? But this weather, this rain, leave it. So my plans was according to cycling first here, but due to weather I'm not going to cycling. So I have thought to search in Google to see what are some fun things to do in morning. So this is Millie going out. Go, Udja. So let's search in Google. What are some fun things to do in morning?
2,000 years later.
So I've searched it and the results have came. Okay, stretching. Of course, it's not fun for me. Exercising and fun. Okay, for some people it may be fun, but not for me. Drink water. I don't know, guys, but how is it drink water considered to be a fun thing, right? Okay, exercise. Eat breakfast is a fun thing, right? But I'm alone in the morning, everybody is sleeping, so I can't eat breakfast, and I can't make also because I'm too lazy to make a breakfast. Wait a minute. Baking, right? Ooh, baking. I love baking. And baking is... Ow! What can I do? Vlog garda. La, here go. Here la. La. Okay, let's just go on with baking, and now I think I have to do some bakings in 7:30 a.m. in the morning. So should I bake cookies or cake? So yesterday my fufu was telling me to bake a cake today because today is Sunday, and she also knew that I'm going to do a fun vlog. So surprise them all, and I'm going to make cake in 7:30 a.m. in the morning. Finally the batter is ready, and I didn't thought it would be this less, so no problem because too much is also not good. So see the mess. So of course cleaning the mess is not a fun thing to do, but I need to do because if I didn't do, then mom will say let's see what is fun thing. So let's move on with some cleaning. Guys, finally cake is ready. Means I have laid it in the oven, which is a homemade oven, है ना? That momo ko huncha ni kai niche wala. I don't know how to say it, but okay, just leave it. Sometimes kya Emilio what's a ठुलो box. Okay, why I have changed my t-shirt also because it was really a mess, and because of that I have to change my t-shirt. It's 8:30 a.m. and it took me 1 hour to make a batter. Because Sunday is a fun day, I think today I don't need to do any work. Work means cleaning house. Right, because cleaning house is very boring thing. It's not a fun thing to do. Okay guys, I have done my work. And the other things will be done by mom because today is my fun day and I don't need to do everything, right? So let's wait for cake to be baked for 30 minutes and I'll meet you then. Guys, till the cake is baking, I have decided to go on a small cycle ride and I have taken my camera with me. So let's go. I need to see the weather. Okay, raining has stopped. guys, I've came back from a cycle ride. Cake is also ready. Atha. Kai biscuit जस्तो भयो Okay. Good fit. Cake दामी भएछ but it should be eaten with chia. So till now the day is going fun. A motorcycle ride. Cake is also done. No, I have one special thing which I will tell you guys later. Cake was tasty. Now I'm giving them to me. Darappa, दानु मैले बनाएको सानोबाट केक चाख्नु त
Thank you.
ल म्याम
ह्यापी बर्थडे भन्न
कसको बर्थडे हो कस्तो लाग्यो भन्नु ल लु भन त भाइ इङ्ग्लिसमा भन् म इङ्ग्लिसमा भ्लग गर्दैछु के भन्न आउँदैन क्या
Very, very, very delicious.
थ्याङ्क यू म्याम टाइम भनिदिनु त सो द केक वाज दामी होइन
फोटो ग्रुप फोटो निकाल न म बनाउँछु ल
ल भन्नु त नन्दाङ्गी आज के गर्न रहेछ हामी
आज हामी फ्यामिलीमा मिलेर एउटा मोमो पार्टी गरिरहेको छौँ अब हामी मोमो बनाउनलाई हामी सबै सामानहरू ल्याएको छ अब हामी बनाउने छौँ तल गएर
नेपालको नेपाली जस्तो बोल्दो रहेछ
तिमी यस्तो बोल्दै
मेरो मम्मा
ठिङ्गा बोल्छ नि न्युजमा बोल्ने
चलो नीचे चलते हैं
हम लोग अब चलते हैं मोमो को तैयारी करना है
So guys, we have decided that today for fun we are going to make momo. It was not an idea by me, but by my mom. So nice day to eat momo because today only I decided to make a fun video, and yeah, making momo with family, talking with them is really a fun thing. Mili pani ayo.
आउँछ नि लाडे ल्याउनु तर अब पठाइन्छ होला नि त
यहाँ मोमो को भाडा होइन उता सिटिङ रुममा This is Siru with Hanuman Bhakti. Siru ja. So guys, when I'm speaking Nepali with my family members or when my family members are speaking Nepali, don't worry, I'm going to add captions for you all because I know there are some people who watch my vlogs and don't understand also, yeah. So don't worry, from now onwards I'm going to add captions and I'm going to speak in English or Hindi and Nepali in between because it's not possible for me to speak English all the time because I'm a Nepali and I have to speak Nepali with my family members. That's why. No ma'am, hello, Jole.
Hello. How are you?
Fine. हजुर ल मन्डेको दिन मामको भ्लग ओके अहिले यसको मोमो भनिदिनु अहिले फेरि तपाईँको मोमो खायो भने लानु राखिदिन्छु निचे तपाईँलाई प्रब्लम हुन्छ गाइस मेरो भाइ पनि आयो हेलो
म खेल्दैछु बिबी रेसिङ
जीबी रेसिङ सो गाइस मोमो रेडी हो रहा है हजुर मोमो भी बन चुका है और हम जा रहे हैं कहाँ पे
दोकान
फॉर बाइंग कोक मोमोस यहाँ खान लागि सो गो विथ अस
म त डममा छु मैले कोक खाएर यार
म खाँदैन नि त मोमो
म त खाने
अन्त
कोक चाहिँ नखाने
इट्स लन्च टाइम अन्त मेरो दुध रप्पा छ बडा हि टोल्ड अस टु बाई कोक टु इट विथ मोमो केसको मोमो
अनि-
भन्दै
चिकन एउटा कोक दिन न ठुलो बडे
ठुलो बडे कोक गाइज आवर कोक अन्त हाम्रो अनुरोध भाइ खै मेरो कुन चाहिँ मेरो
Oi, oi.
Yeah guys, I'm having a lot of fun today and it's really enjoying. Jelly, I love jelly. It's so jiggly, jiggly, jiggly. Wow. So I think that is all for today for my making my Sunday a fun day video, because after this time yani it's 2:30 now I'm going to play game which is also fun for me. Then after playing game till 4:30 I'm going to time pass for आधी घंटा for half an hour. Then I'm going to study. So study is not a fun thing to show you all. So I think that is all for today. Thank you guys for watching my today's vlog. This is Coke for you guys and eat and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. I will meet you in next video which I have thought of pranking my mom. So bye bye guys. रुको एक चीज तो बोलना भूल ही गए. If you have watched till the end, don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, comment, share. जे गर्नु सबै गरिदिनुहोस्. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Love you all. Boo.